Let me show you how to make crispy, homemade chicken nuggets with just 3 simple ingredients. They are easy to make and actually pretty healthy compared to some fast food chicken nuggets.
First, take 1 cooked chicken breast. Leftover chicken works really well here also, and cooked turkey does too. So this is a great recipe to make when you already have some leftovers in the fridge and want an easy way to turn it into something really tasty.
Use a sharp knife and slice the chicken into thin slices first, just like I am doing here. Then chop it up really well. You want the pieces small and finely chopped so they mix in easily and help give the nuggets that perfect chicken nugget texture later on, while still feeling like real chicken and not rubbery and spongy.
Then grate 1 handful of cheese using a fine grater. Grating it finer helps it melt into the chicken better, which makes the mixture easier to stir together in the next step. Cheddar is a great choice for this recipe if you want more flavor, but mozzarella keeps the taste more mild. Next, add the cheese to the bowl with the chicken. Then crack in 1 egg. At this point, you can add a little seasoning if you want, but these are really good as they are, especially if you are making them for kids. Mix everything together really well with a fork until it starts to feel like one mixture and not separate ingredients in the bowl. At first, it may look a little uneven, but keep going until the chicken, cheese, and egg are all worked together and nothing looks separate anymore. Now, let's shape the chicken nuggets. I like to use my hands for this part and make them a little like McDonald's chicken nuggets because that is the shape my kids already know and like. Just take a little of the mixture at a time and press it gently into nugget shapes. Then smooth them out a bit with your fingers so they hold together and look nice. This recipe usually gives me 9 to 10 good-sized chicken nuggets. Next, place the chicken nuggets into the preheated air fryer basket. I like to line the basket with a little parchment paper just to make cleanup easier, but you do not have to. The main thing is to keep the nuggets in a single layer with a little space between them so they cook evenly and the outside gets nice and crisp. Air fry the chicken nuggets at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Then pull the basket out and carefully flip each one with tongs so they crisp up nicely on the other side. Then, air fry the chicken nuggets for another 10 minutes, or until they are nicely golden and crisp on the outside. They should feel firmer at this point and look cooked through, with both sides looking evenly browned. These chicken nuggets come out crispy on the outside and tender in the middle, with a little cheesy flavor all through them. What I really like is that they still taste and feel like real chicken, not those overly processed nuggets that all have the same weird texture. They are simple, really tasty, and so good dipped into whatever sauce you like. If you liked these crispy homemade chicken nuggets, then you are absolutely going to love these air fryer sardines too. They get so crispy in just 10 minutes and make such a quick, easy snack.